Welcome back to Double R. Today we're going to go through the New Holland L313 skid steer, and here's Tony to tell us all about it.
G'day everybody. As you can see, we've got the New Holland 313 skid steer loader here today. This is the baby, if you like, of our skid steers, of our wheeled machines. This one's a very basic machine, which is what a lot of guys want when they're working hard. They don't want all the mod cons. This one's got no side glass, basically caged drops and tops. You've got your auxiliary hydraulics standard on the machine. This one is standard old school hand and foot control, so not a joystick type machine. A lot of the older guys and cowpockies and things like that still prefer the hand and foot controls. Runs a Perkins engine, nice solid bit of kit. 50 horsepower thereabouts. Radial lift pump machine, so this one is good for pushing dirt, basically working stockpiles. Basically because when you push through here, all the force comes up through the arm up at the one point. It's not working through several joints like your vertical lift machines. This one will be set up with a 4-in-1 bucket. Basically simple attachment to get your bucket onto the machine there. Simple exit and entry point, really basic, really easy to enter. Walk in there like that. The seatbelt machine these are, so you don't have your standard overhead bar and throttle on the right hand side. You've got a digital dash on the right hand side also, which is your park brake. Your operation buttons, your fuel temperature, hydraulic oil temperature, operate button, your lights and all that sort of stuff. And another blanked out thing here, if there's other options, you can basically put other switches and things on the left hand side. As I said, Dan, basic machine, but a very strong little machine. Really good for all sorts of work, ready to go once we've got a 4-in-1 bucket on it.
Nice, Tony. Thank you very much and have a good day.
Cheers.